Mm, Hello everyone. Here you can see the MQTT protocol working. MQTT basically work on publish subscribe model. In this, there are two entities. One is publisher and another one is subscriber. Suppose this is publisher and this is subscriber. Publisher publish the information and subscriber subscribe the information from this MQTT server. And this MQTT server, or you can say this is the MQTT broker. So this MQTT broker receive the information from the publisher. Here the publisher are the temperature sensor nodes, and these node publishes the temperature. And whenever MQTT broker receive the information, and that information is sent to the subscriber. So this is the basic model. This is the basic working of this MQTT. And in earlier video, we have seen that MQTT is described as lightweight. So what does it mean? It means that it is very simple. This protocol is very simple, efficient, and not intensive. Means not huge bandwidth, network bandwidth is required for this because this is event driven protocol. MQTT was created with a focus on sending small amount of data over unreliable network with a limited bandwidth and the connectivity. So if there is a limited bandwidth and connectivity, then MQTT work best compared to other protocol. And it has a small code footprint, low overhead and low power consumption. And due to its minimal packet overhead, MQTT excel when transferring data over the wire compared to protocol like HTTP because of its minimal packet overhead. And all these things make it ideal for a device having limited processing power, memory, and battery life. And in IoT based system, different communicating devices, communication modules, and sensors all have very limited processing power and memory as well as battery life. So this protocol will work best for IoT application, and because of this feature it is best. MQTT uses a binary message format for the communication between client and broker. So we have seen in previous diagram that there is a broker in between subscriber and publisher. So whenever the publisher send the message or subscriber receive the message, this communication is done in binary form. This is in contrast to other protocol that uses text-based format. For example, HTTP and SMTP, these protocols use text-based format, whereas MQTT uses binary message format. And how, what are the four actions undergoing in this communication? So there are four possible actions: publish, subscribe, unsubscribe, or ping. So what does it mean? So publish means send a block of data containing the message to be sent. Whenever any publisher have data to be sent, then it will publish that data. It means it send a block of data, and this data is specific to implementation, but it can be simple on off indication or a value of any sensors. For example, we have seen temperature sensor is publishing the value of temperature. Then there is a subscribe, turn a client into a subscriber of the topic. Topic may be subscribed to specifically or via wildcard that allows subscription to an entire topic branch or part of any topic branch. It means subscriber can subscribe the information available at the broker as per its requirement. To subscribe, a client send a subscribe packet. So to achieve this or to do this, what the subscriber will do? Subscriber send a subscribe packet and receive a sub back packet in return. If there is a written message for the topic, the new subscriber receive that message as well. Next is a ping. A client may ping the broker. A ping request packet, PINGREQ. This is ping request packet is sent by the subscriber and a reply ping receipt packet is sent in reply. Ping may be used to ensure that the connection is still working and the TCP session was not unexpectedly closed by any other networking equipment like router or gateway. So this is ping. Ping is done by using ping request packet, and there will be acknowledgement also. And disconnect, a subscriber or a publisher may send a disconnect message to the broker. So subscriber and publisher both are connected with the broker, and both can send a disconnect message to the broker, and this message inform the broker that it will no longer need to send a or queue message for the subscriber. So it means there is no further communication and that it will no longer receive data from the publisher. So this kind of shutdown allow the client to reconnect using the same client identity as before. So when a client disconnect without sending a disconnect message, it last will and so here there are 4 possible actions. One is publish, subscribe, ping, and disconnect. Now this is the MQTT fix header format example. So these bits constitute MQTT control packet type, and remaining bit shows specific flag is specific to each MQTT control packet type, and by 2 constitute of remaining length. So we will discuss this MQTT fixed header format in detail in next class.